So yan guys, quit biking na kami.
Uy, gilig ka guys. Gilig ka, ano ka dyan.
Quit biking na guys, running na running. Shout out to my colleagues.
Green.
Shout out sa nakaukli.
Sa green.
Hey guys, Carlos Yulo yung ano guys, yung t-shirt ko. So yan guys, Dubai run, early bird. Grabe guys, sinara nila yung daan para lang sa amin.
Tapos bukas guys, lalagyan ko ng traffic.
Guys, ganito kalupit dito ang mga sports sa Dubai. Sinasara nila yung mga main road para lang sa mga event ng mga sports. Just like Dubai Ride, now Dubai Run. Shout out Coco, tulog ka lang dyan. Tark, tulog ka lang dyan. Grabe, sinara nila yung ano guys, para lang sa amin. Exclusive.
Guys.
Kailangan yan guys. Ha? Kailangan yan.
Mamaya meron pa ito eh. Dami dyan. Grabe no, nakakaano ng balikulo kasi hindi naman yung mga tao no, talagang sobrang kung talagang ano sila. Hindi takto guys. Iikot pa rin.
Guys, kaya ako dito guys, trending no. Dito ka. Trending.
Mare.
Guys, Dubai walk. Guys, Dubai walk. Dubai walk.
Let's go. Marami rin. Kala ko mag-start na lang. Grabe, mas grabe talaga tao pag Dubai. Are you 5K side or 10K?
Guys. Grabe. Green na green. Green na green.
Lula ako guys, ibang ano ako, ibang position ako, position.
Quit biking guys, jogging na lang, baka ma-emergency auction ng mga bike. Yoo!
Dubai will see for 2024. Today we are expecting hundreds and thousands of you here this morning. Katie, what are you seeing? Where are you at?
Good morning, Mr. Chris Payne. I am the star of the 5K Lady 5K. I've got my 5K people, Chris. What do you got?
Well, right now I've got actually an empty road which is looking absolutely beautiful.
Papalayo na yun guys. Ayun. Ay, ibig sabihin massive pala guys, kabilaan. Malayo na guys. Ha? Malayo na. Nakita tayo sa bayan. Guys, grabe. 10 kilometers. Tapos dila na. Guys, diretso ka na guys ha. Guys, diretso ka na. Ay, grabe guys. Ang lakas mo guys. Diretso ka na guys ha. 30 minutes ka na diretso. Grabe guys. Take mo nag-trangko guys. Grabe guys, trangko ka guys. Grabe guys.
guys. Guys. Ang bilis mo guys. Guys, hinahanap ko si Roxanne guys. Hindi ko makita sa sobrang bilis niya. Hindi ko malusutan. Guys, dimiritso na akong tumatag. Hindi ko shoot.
Telling me to stop, ayy. Got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turns your love into a
15 seconds, guys.
I'm in the island on a Wednesday. Laid back, cool and kick your feet up like a sensei. Juju hit my line like what you want, babe. Hit her with the spread like working out with her, babe. No way, I'm at the gym, you at the gym. It's a small world, I might just have to
15 seconds, guys. Grabe guys. Grabe guys, ang bilis mo. Dami guys oh.
Guys, tignan nyo guys. Patapos na namin 10 km guys, pero may naglalakad pa lang guys sa kabila.
Grabe, ang haba. Tignan nyo. Starting pa lang yun.
Ay,
Guys, may usok guys. May usok.
ano yan guys, finish.
Guys.
Finisher guys.
Finisher. 15 kilometer. Shut out. Guys, tingnan mo guys. Dami pa no?
Dahil pag naglalakad guys sa kabilang side, dahil naglalakad oh. Tapos na kami sa 10 PM. Shoutout sa lahat ng nag-Dubai run.
Ay, papicture ko sa finish.
Ay, nag-vlog na.
Madami pala sila. Dami. Ayun o. Pinagandaan ngayon guys. Ang daming palang ano. Ang daming pala guys. Grabe naman, ibang pagandaan nila.
Namaste.
comes to you, no one really compares. But I'm scared and I'm nervous. I don't wanna get hurt anymore. I don't want nobody else. You know that you got as hell. I get ahead of myself. Finishing races and never begin. I don't want nobody else. You know that you feel as hell. I get ahead of myself. Keep on telling myself, don't rush. It's a little crush. Don't need to worry about it. Don't need to figure it out. Don't to worry about it, don't need to figure it out. Now don't rush, it's a little crush.